Have you ever heard someone say, "I bought shares at the NSE," and you nodded like you understood? Today, we fix that. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what the NSE is, how it works, and how ordinary Kenyans use it to build wealth. By the end of this video, you'll understand the system that moves billions of shillings in Kenya every single day. Let's break it down. What is the NSE? The NSE stands for Nairobi Securities Exchange. It is Kenya's official stock market. Think of it as a marketplace, but instead of buying tomatoes or clothes, you buy shares of companies. Companies like Safaricom Equity Bank KCB Group. When you buy shares, you are buying a small ownership piece of that company. Yes, a normal Kenyan can become a part owner of major companies. Why does the NSE exist? Companies need money to grow. Instead of taking loans, they sell small ownership pieces to the public. Investors give money. Companies expand. If the company grows, the value of your shares increases. It's that simple. How does the NSE actually work? Let's simplify it step by step. 1. A company lists on the NSE. When a company wants to raise money, it lists on the exchange. This is called an IPO, initial public offering. 2. Investors buy shares. You open a CDS account through a licensed stockbroker. You deposit money. You buy shares. 3. Share prices. Daily prices go up and down depending on company performance profits. News investor demand economic conditions. If many people want to buy, price rises. If many want to sell, price falls. Basic supply and demand. How do you make money at the NSE? There are two main ways. 1. Capital gains. If you buy a share at 20 shillings and sell it at 30 shillings, you make 10 shillings profit per share. 2. Dividends. Some companies share profits with investors. For example, banks and large corporations often pay dividends yearly. You earn money simply for owning shares. Is it risky? Yes. Share prices can fall. Markets react to politics, inflation, company losses, global events. But long-term investors who choose strong companies and stay patient often benefit. The NSE is not gambling, it is ownership. Why should Kenyans care? Because leaving money in a savings account alone may not beat inflation. Investing builds wealth over time. The rich don't just save, they own assets. And the NSE allows everyday Kenyans to participate in wealth creation. You don't need millions to start, you need knowledge first. Conclusion. The Nairobi Securities Exchange is not a mysterious club for the elite. It is a structured marketplace where ownership is bought and sold every day. Now you understand what it is, why it exists, how it works, how money is made, and this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll talk about how to open a CDS account step by step. This is Voice of Reason Money Clinic, where we make money make sense.